In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger not working. First thing, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Messenger. Okay, let's keep waiting and now scroll down until you find Messenger like this. When you find it, click on it and then click on this force stop here and then go to the storage, click on clear cache and then go back, click on the data usage, make sure that everything is enabled and then click on force stop here. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store and update your Messenger. Don't forget to like, subscribe.